How to remove the battery? This battery you can see here is a new battery. Let me just show you the old one. This is the old one here. This came originally with the car from new. As you can see the date there, 2013. The car was made in 2013, so it came with the car from new. So it has been in the car for, let me see, 8 years. Now something went really wrong with this battery, but it started smoking. There was smoke coming here. You know, it was smelling like hell. It will still start the car except the smoke coming in here. Now the day I removed it, it was jelly-like. It was so hot and jelly-like. So I decided, I think this is finished, so I'm going to buy a new one. So the one that you just saw in the car, it was a replacement for this one. All right, they are 12 volt L3EF 70 amps. Okay, so if you're going to buy one of these, it has to be 70 amp hour. Don't buy less, or at least buy more. Don't buy less. Don't buy like 60 amp hour or 50 amp hour. It has to be either 70 or more. All right, so how to remove it? Let's go to the car. As you can see here, I've already put a new one here. So instead of playing with this car, I'm not going to do it. I'll play with the other car. All right, so we're going to the other car. Here we are. This is the other car that I bought to take parts from. So I will show you how to remove the battery from this. It's just the same as from the other car. First of all, you remove the terminal. There's a terminal that goes in here. Is this one. We've already disconnected it. So before you do anything, this terminal here, I'm not going to put it in. You just push this up like that, and then it comes off. Then you just push it to the side there. Number 2, we're going to remove this nut here. Okay, so I'll get the tool to remove this nut here. It's number 10 mil. Right, spanner number 10. Okay, you just right. So you remove this one. Okay, let's speed up things. All right, let's put it here. Then you remove this one. Okay. Next, you remove this part here. So you clip and push that way, and it comes off. All right. This cover, you put it here. Now, is this plug here? Once you remove this cover, you remove this plug. There is a hook here. You just pull this to you like this, and then you push down. Okay. Again, make it simple. Okay. There's this thing here. You cannot remove this with this cover still on. You will not have space. So you remove the cover, and then you pull this. You pull it with your nail to you, then it goes out like that, goes down. Now here, the whole thing here is hooked on this, is holding on this on that side. So there's another hook here. Just pull it up like so. Like so. Okay, it's slid back in again. It's hooked again. So you just pull it like that. Then you pull this to the side here. To the side here. There's some cables here that are hooking here. Okay, these cables, they go in here. There will be this hook here. You just pull them out like this. Okay, so this you can push to the side like so. You just push the cables to the side like that. Okay, now to remove the box is very easy. You just pull it upward like this. There you go. Slide out like so. Now there is a battery, there is a bolt there that you have to remove. Okay, you need a long extension, and socket number 10. So let's do that. All right, I've put a long extension and another extension, so that I can have enough space, because if I've just put one extension, look, it will be touching here. So put another extension. So you just do this, remove it, just uncouple this. Oh, there we go. Just remove it. Quick. See guys, I'm making all the stuff. I make all mistakes, then you don't have to make mistakes yourself. So there it is. Okay, gotcha. The thing is, you have to be very careful. If this nut, this bolt falls somewhere in that darkness, you're gonna have a very tough time to get it back. Okay, now the battery is loose, so you just lift it and pull it to you like that. Now there's another nut there for this terminal here, so you need another socket. I don't think it's socket 10. Let's try socket 10. Yeah, it's 10. So you just number 10, then you turn it anti-clockwise. Okay, right, wiggle the, move it to side by side, push the battery in there, move it again side by side. As you lift it up, eventually it will come. Yeah, there you go, it's coming up. Yeah, there it is. The terminal is out. So what you do is you just pull the battery towards you. Yeah, there you are. There you go. That's how you do it. It's a bit, little bit tough to remove this one. As you move it side by side, it's a little bit hard, but it end up coming out anyway. So that's how it is. To put it back, you get a new battery, clean all the stuff. This is your car. Love your car. Clean all this mess. Get a new battery. You don't have to worry too much, because that's a negative terminal. This one is positive. All right, when you put your battery, positive has to be on this side. Okay, then you put back the negative terminal, the long extension again with socket number 10. Tie it. Okay, very hard. Now you have to tie it a little bit harder, not just with your hand. Just a note to remember. Me, when I put batteries, I always put a little bit of grease on the terminals. Okay, it reduces corrosion. Not a lot, just a little bit around the terminals. I didn't do it here because this is just a demo. But when I'm changing the battery, I always put a little bit of grease, around the terminal. Okay, so you tighten this. You don't break it. You tighten it so that it doesn't come out. All right, that's. See, that's how manufacturers do these things these days. I remember back in the days when you open the bonnet and the battery was like looking at you. Now you may be wondering, what is this bracket here? This bracket holds the battery so that as you drive, it doesn't move back and forth, up and down. It just stays in one place. Now is the time for the box to come back in. This box. If you look over here, you can see the hooks. That's where the box hooks. It hooks on these here. There's another one here. So you just slide the box. like so. These cables here, make sure that. Now some people may have another way of removing this, but I'm showing you the way I do it. So you may find some guys, they have their own other way of doing it, you know. So line up with the hooks there, the hooks is lined up, then you just press it down, it's locked. Okay, don't put the terminal, it's time to get these back on. Okay, right. Now this thing, it slides on these grooves here. Okay, it hooks, so you just push it and it slides, so it's holding on the box. Okay, then you just kind of line it up. No, hang on, let me just show you again. Here there's a hook, it hooks on this hook hooks on this, so you hook this one first here, like so. Yeah, it hooked, and then you slide it in here like so. Okay, so it's hooked there and it's slid in here, so it's good. That's how it is. Again, this cable, don't forget to put this cable. Your car will start fine without this cable but don't forget to put it back in, okay? Because I did forget to put this cable in my car. Okay, but it was showing a light in the dash. There's something wrong with the electrical system. When I come back, I realized I forgot to put this cable. The car was driving, I drove almost a week with it like that, so watch out there. So you put back this cable. Okay, then you get this cover, put it in there, like so, like so. Right, then this one goes in there, you put the nut like so, you tighten it, don't break it, and then this terminal goes back in there. Okay, that's about it. That's how you remove, that's how I removed mine and I put the new one. Okay, some people will have another way of doing it. Okay, thank you very much. Take care. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do all other nice things. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.